Welcome back to Clark's Star Culinary. We are making spinach artichoke dip. In a large mixing bowl, add 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, half a cup of sour cream, and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Blend until smooth. Afterwards, add 1 cup of previously frozen spinach that has been thawed and drained of excess water, 1½ cups of quartered artichoke hearts, 1 clove of garlic minced, ½ cup of freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano, 2 teaspoons of fresh basil sliced thin, add salt, pepper, and garlic powder to taste. Now fold the ingredients together. Once you have the ingredients mixed well together, you can serve this dip cold. However, if you prefer warm artichoke dip, put the mixture in a baking dish. Sprinkle with 1½ cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Place in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Afterwards, serve with some warm pita bread, fresh cut vegetables, or crackers. As usual, thank you for watching Clark's Star Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.